Good morning, sir. I am Generic Simerkangel from BSIT 3A. For today's video is I'm showing the 30% of progress of my e-commerce. Then I'm explaining the flow and complete panels required to this project. This is the instruction of user or customer side of e-commerce. Then first is the login side. So may login, I create account po tayo dito and sign up and login. This is the home page. Then search bar with filters, personal recommendation, quick links to trending or seasonal details, dials, seasonal deals, then featured products, banners, and promotion. For that side, meron po tayo ditong product, recommendation, codes, footer, may footer pa tayo dyan, promo, yun po ang ating promo, then the search bar. When I click the search bar, may nalabas po siyang ganito. Then, kahit saan po dito is pupunta siya po sa ating shop, which is the product detail page. I mean product listing, grid or list view of products, sorting filtering options, categories and subcategories for navigations. Yan po. Meron po siyang pagpipilian items. Then, for this per items, 8 pieces po siya. Then all of that is functional naman po. Yan. Then this is the add to cart. Yan, yung cart view niya. Then the product details of our e-commerce. Then rating star, price, discount, price, and the spec. Quantities. Pag kinancel po natin to, babalik lang po siya dito sa ating van. Then add to cart. Pag kinonfirm po natin, pupunta po yan sa ating cart. Then this is our product. Then the remove button. Ang remove button po is ganito lang po siya. Meron po siyang confirmation. Check the confirmation. Successfully removed. Then the checkout. When I click this purchase button, pupunta siya po dyan. Meron po siyang order summary. Yung pangalan po ng ating ng product, rating star, price, discount price, expectation, quantities, and customer details. Then our payment method is cash on delivery only. When I click this place order, kaganyan po siya. Then pupunta po siya sa ating profile, which is this is the profile. Sa may profile po natin is meron siyang wish list na nakasali po dito sa may yan po sa ating user profile and our notifications. Then ito na po tayo sa may order tracking. Sa may profile po natin is meron po tayong kwento dyan to pay, to ship, to receive, and the complete delivery. First is the to pay. Meron po yung ating name ng ating product, estimated delivery date, then wait for a days for our ship, then the total cost, Sa may 2 shifts naman po natin. Ayan. Ayan po ang ating details, product details. Estimated delivery date. Ito nabawasan lang po siya ng isa. Then total cost. Then sa may receipt naman po natin. Ito rin pa rin po ang ating items details. Parcel out of delivery. Prepare exact amount. Then this is the amount of our product. Then dito tayo sa complete. Yan. When I click this complete, then when I click this buy again, pupunta ko siya doon sa may parang check out po natin na feature kanina. When I click this back button, pabalik po siya sa ating homepage. Then our wish list. Ito po ang ating wish list button. When I click this remove, and remove successfully. Then when I click this add to cart, pupunta ko siya sa ating add to cart. Then ito po ang ating homepage button. Customer support. Ito na po yung kanina sa ating baba po kanina. Sa may footer natin. Contact options. Yan. Ito po ang ating customer support or contact us on vendorshop@yahoo.com and the number and the Facebook page or messenger. And search result. Search matches with sorting and filter suggestion for related queries and products. Ganito lang po ating search bar. Meron po siyang kanito. Automatic na po siyang may pagpipilian na product kung saan po, kung ano po yung gusto niyo. Then, our lockout button. Yan lang po siya sa may create button. Explaining ko po dito sa per product po natin. All of this is gumagana naman po siya dito sa may ating list ng ating product. Lahat po siya is naka-connect. Then ito po yung ating kanyang prototype. Yan. Naka-connectahan po lahat yan sa may 56 items po natin. Then after that, pati lahat po ito naka-connect din po. Ito ang ating prototype po sa may parang product details niya po. Then sa may checkout, lahat po ng ating product po din dyan is naka-connect din po. Ayan. Then dito po sa may checkout natin, gumagana din po lahat po yan. Ito po, explain that. Dito naman po, di ba, wala po siyang ibang button. This is the only button to going homepage. Yan po. And yan lang po ang ating gan. Yan na po ang ating 30% of progress for our e-commerce. And thank you po.